Do you have a Christmas cactus that is struggling to bloom, or you just wanted to bloom for the second time around this year? You have come to the right place. The Christmas cactus is one of the more popular houseplants, and for good reason. They produce beautiful, colorful tubular flowers that can bloom for up to 3 to 6 weeks, making them a great decorational piece in your house, especially in those colder months. And with the perfect caring conditions, these guys can live for up to 100 years. That's right, they can survive for decades, adding generous, colorful bloomings for generations to enjoy. So, let's talk about some of those perfect caring conditions. Watering needs. There are 2 ways to ensure that your Christmas cactus is getting the right amount of water that it needs. You can mist it every day and water the soil when it is completely dry, or you can water it when the top third of the soil is dry, or as a rule of thumb, just water it every 2 to 3 weeks. Here's just a humidity tip. Take a pot saucer and add it with pebbles and throw water in just below the tops of the pebbles and put it directly under the pot. These guys love humidity. Just remember, although they are tropical cacti and not desert cacti, the most common reason for them to drop leaves is of overwatering. So make sure you find that sweet spot. Sunshine needs. Although these guys are succulents, too much direct sunlight can cause them to burn. And an easy way to see this, they will start having a red tint. And this is just the starting point, although this can be maintained in the perfect conditions. This is a way for them to start talking to you. Now, let's talk about propagation. They propagate quite easily. I did a water propagation video last week. You are welcome to go check it out if you want to see how I did it. These are my results. Most of them are still quite happy. If you would like to give it a go and you would like to see what I did, you are most welcome to go check out that video. And soil propagation. I am going to do just a little piece with you so you can understand how to do it if you would like to try it yourself. So all you do is remove, I'm going to take a stem and you take about 3. 1, 2, 3. You remove it like that. Now you can let it calister. This will actually help it to grow faster, or you can just shove it in the ground and just don't water it for about a week. So how you put them in is about halfway. You just put them in the ground. Half of the leaf in, and as easy as that. Then you just wait 2 to 3 weeks to start seeing results. They are making quite babies by now. New leaves, and they have some roots sprouting out as well. Oh, you can't see that. Can't see that one. Let's try this one. So just a few blooming tips to ensure that they can maybe bloom twice. These guys usually only bloom from early to mid-winter, and if you want them to bloom a second time around and they are indoors, make sure they only receive a few hours of indirect sunlight and of course 12 hours of darkness at night. This will encourage a second bloom. And if you are finally blooming but the buds keep falling off, this could be due to underwatering, too much sunlight, or a drought going through them. They don't like that. Let me know in the comments below how old is your Christmas cacti by now. This guy is about 4 years old. It's about 4 years old now. Hopefully this video helped somebody or it was insightful. Please let me know in the comments below. Bye guys, I hope you guys have a nice planting week.